up, baby? Day 2 of the auto to manual conversion. I think this is the day that we will have this bad boy back in one piece. Cause I got a date Friday night, yeah, baby. So I'm trying to scoot up with my little 5-speed. Today's current goals: take off this flywheel, put on the new flywheel, put on the pressure plate, put on the clutch disc, put on the transmission, and mount everything else to be situated. Engine bay will be done. Only thing left from the engine bay to do is obviously the shift linkage and continue along with trimming out this inner piece so we can weld our new piece there to cover this hole so we don't have no exhaust gases all coming up through this bad boy. So without further ado-sies, let's get to worksies. So the same thing again, just gonna get stuff done and update you after I get it done, or if I'm stuck on something I'll show you guys. But I couldn't find my actual 17mm 12 point, but this 11/16 is standard size for the metric 17, and it worked. It got the flywheel bolt off. The flywheel's over there, the old one, and now it's time to attach the pilot bearing and install the original 5-speed manual flywheel. Flywheel is now securely tightened on, and if you ask me, did I torque it? I torqued it with my Milwaukee with a couple oogas, and that's what it is. I've always done that. I know it's not the right way to do it, but I've never had an issue where my flywheel flew the hell off the car. So it is what it is. I don't care. Since you can reuse this T-bracket, I just went ahead and swapped the mounts, got everything tightened back on. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but this is the auto mount and this is the manual one. I don't know if you can actually tell the difference. I mean, they look the same to me. The big dog Ed is coming over to help me throw the transmission in this bad boy so we can get everything situated, but I'm gonna get the T-bracket on and get rid of these oil cooler things for the automatic transmission and get the manual mount on, and yeah. Another quick update, Ed came through. Say what up to the vlog, Ed. What's poppin', man? My man Ed's in the building. I got the oil cooler lines off now. I just gotta install that action clutch, and then with the help of Ed, we're gonna get the gearbox attached to the motor, and then we should be good to go. Okay, so here we have the action clutch right here. This is the clutch disc with the clutch alignment tool. So put that through the, like that, and then once that's on there,
No, you hold on. I have to clean it first.
Oh, well, Ed's gonna brake cleaning the pressure plate surface where it contacts with the clutch itself. That's it, brothers. Action clutch is now installed. Behold, we have a 5-speed manual transmission installed. What? All I gotta do now is wait for the battery to charge so I can tighten up everything else, because hand tools suck and I'm spoiled by power tools. So, yep, Ed came through, got my thing all situated, and we are good, baby. All I gotta do now is shift linkage, but I still gotta Dremel out the stuff so I can put the bracket in so I don't have any smoke coming inside the engine bay. But that's it. Hopefully I can drive this thing today. I should be able to. The most important part is already done. I just gotta do the wiring, which is pretty easy, following that DIY thing that guy did. So that's it. Oh, only thing I have to do is warranty out those damn things, because these are... Alright, Alright, so I forgot to bring the camera on accident, actually. I really forgot. But I got brand new axles and I bought some synchro mesh. But huge shout out to my man AJ, the photographer on Instagram, for coming in clutch and giving me his number to warranty out these bad boys. AJ, you the homie, bro. Thank you, thank you. I owe you one. So if you ever need something, let me know and I got you. And for my Gearbox Fluid of choice, I always run synchro mesh because it's the truth. It's, in my opinion, better than the Honda OEM transmission fluid. But anyways, we do have a transmission. I still gotta get the clutch reservoir and line from JBtuned, but the reservoir, I gotta get that from whoever may have one, so hang around with the hose on it. But yeah, man, we're almost there. My battery is now charged. Oh, I took it off already. But my battery is now charged for me to tighten up all these mounts and everything, get everything situated, and then yep, we should be good to go. So hopefully today, your boy will be finished with everything, and hopefully we can go for our drive today, man. That would be most dope. Current update, I ran out of all my Dremel blades. They're all gone, and I'm so close to finishing the bottom half to where I can mount this plate in. But as you guys can see, hopefully you guys can see, it's like, I gotta cut all that crap out right there. A little bit more to go, but I have no more blades. That's pretty much all I have left to do is just the wiring, mount up that goop and that quick steel stuff on that pan once I get it cut. I gotta go pick up my clutch line from JB, and I still need a clutch reservoir. But other than that, man, we're almost done. We are almost done. I'm not sure if you guys can tell by the lighting outside. It is almost nighttime, and I went by JB's, picked up a manual ECU from him, went by my crib, picked up a clutch reservoir along with the line, because I need that. That's one thing I'm missing. I also have my replacement DC, EG, or EK clutch line. Here we are, JBtuned, baby. Hold on, get the focus. There we go, get that focus in there, babe. Yes, sir. Got my clutch line, got everything needed, and also, yo, check out how well executed I trimmed this bracket. Look at this. Look at that. Look how flat that is. I mean, I could flap this the thing in the edge, which I might do, but just look at how well executed that is. That is proper. 933. I just finished hammering in the bish pin. What I have left to do is drill the holes for the linkage, attach the linkage, and wiring so I can trick the ECU. I'll finish up everything tomorrow to keep this video going. But yeah, man, I'm just down to 2 things and that's it. I'll be done. Oh, I gotta do the IAC wiring as well, so. Okay, so it is the next day. I've been working on the car for the past hours. I started at like 9:30. It's now what, 1 something? I think it's like it's 1:34, and well, everything is pretty much taken care of. I got fluid in the gearbox. Everything is situated up here. Everything is good. This is the bracket I'm going to be using until I can find an OEM one, but this will work for the meantime. Maya is actually going to give me his left-hand drive bracket so I can cut and then have it mounted up like that. But all in all, everything in the engine bay is taken care of. Now we just have to put this bad boy back together. But check me out, boy. Look at that. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Yay! So what I have to do right now is basically wire all this crap up. I got to wire in the trick this thing so I have to basically trick the car, the ECU basically, to make it believe that it's in park so I can be able to drive. And I believe I actually have to drop something around here to take out a screw or something. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's what your boy have to do so we can drive this bad boy. I'm ready to drive. I'm ready to drive. Oh, wow. Oh, and I also have to bleed the clutch too, so. Check-in time. Everything is now done. I have everything in engine bay complete. Even the battery terminals are hooked up on this bad boy. Go inside here. I got the console back on. That has to be changed. I definitely need a manual center console because I do not want to see the hole right there. And baby girl was roasting the hell out of me, talking about when we drive, mosquitoes gonna be coming in the car, biting my leg. We can't drive like that with a hole. And I just finished cutting more of the brake pedal. It's actually a bigger space now. Just I put back on the little brake cap thing, and that's where it looks. But it's actually way more over. Like, and you guys can probably see how I mess up my carpet too. But it's okay because I plan on doing black carpet in this bad boy. I want black carpet. Yes, sir. Black or blue carpet. Mostly black. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. It's time to drive this thing, dog. so I'm going for my official first drive in the car, and oh, Apple, what you filming? You acting like just, but yeah, man, the drive's good, catch is good too. I just don't like my check engine light and how high my idle is. Like, okay, that's normal. That's normal. But the catch is good. Kind of sloppy. I mean, it's stock bushings, but it's it, man. Every gear is smooth. It doesn't grind. None of that stuff. Pretty good. So right now I'm heading to Randy's house. I'm gonna run the his scan tool on and see exactly what all check engine lights I got. I think it's just like the auto shifter and stuff, but I feel like I had to rewire my IAC. I don't know why. That's the post that said, but I don't know. I have no idea. So, like I said, stop by Randy's. My boy got a snap-on thing now, doing big teens. I tell you, boy, Rich, y'all think it's a joke. Boy got rich. What happened to the? Oh, you sold the Accord already, bro?
No. It's on. Somebody took it for a test drive.
Oh, alright. Just making sure you still got it, cause you a boat. He just bought a boat. I'm gonna see what's going on with this thing, even though I already pretty much know what it is. I just feel like I have more issues than I think. Check engine light. Ooh, cinematic. Ooh, fire. Let's see what's cracking like. It's gonna be like your Prindle shifter, no detection, something. All right.
Fault in transmission control module, lockup control solenoid, shifts on all transmission codes.
Bet. I'm recording this outro July 22nd. It's been about 5 days since I've been manual swapped. I started Tuesday, I finished everything Thursday, then I had to redo some stuff Friday and Saturday. You guys will see in the following video after this one. But yeah, drives fine, perfectly fine. I'm pretty proud of myself, man. This was my first ever auto to manual swap that I've ever did by myself, really. I just needed help with like dropping the transmission, the automatic one, and reinstalling the manual one. That's the only thing I needed help with, since I didn't drop the motor and didn't do everything like that myself. But all in all, man, I'm proud of myself, man. I did it. I had the boys come over and help when I needed their help. It was just cool, man. It was a great time. It took me 2 days. It really would have took me only a day, though. Like, I could have finished it Wednesday. I just started late that day, you know what I mean? Please do not forget, if you want to manual swap your car, there will be a DIY in a description box below with every part you need. Every single thing, everything I did in these videos, these past 2 videos, is everything I took from that DIY. So, yeah, you don't have to follow exactly everything I did, like with the brake pedal and all. Like, you don't have to do that. And you necessarily don't need a manual brake pedal, because when Randy drove my car and I drove my car, it's like you don't even feel like you don't hit it, you don't hit the brake pedal, you don't even recognize that it's there. It just looks stupid. And I'm perfectly fine with looking stupid, but it functions. It does what it do. But I know eventually I'll probably end up doing the manual brake pedal just so I can stop having people act like little crybabies that I do stuff to my car and whatever. But all in all, Playboy, we is finished, and I hope you guys enjoyed this 2-part series. I'll see you guys, you know what, screw it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video where I did more diagnosing to the car, where I did the ECU, the manifold stuff, just getting it dialed in, and I have a guest celebrity YouTube guy that's gonna be in the video next time. Stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for rocking with me for these past 2 videos. I'll see you guys later. I'm out, baby. Peace.